Hi student, welcome to my online class. Today I discuss class 10 chemistry chapter 3 metals and non-metals. So last class we have discussed most of the part of these chapters. Okay. So today we discuss another one most important topics, that is occurrence of metals. Okay. Occurrence of metals, and this is the most important part of these chapters. Okay, and their extraction process of their metals, like according to their reactivity series of metals. Some metals are the high reactive, some are medium reactive, and some are low reactivity series. Okay, according to their reactivity, different processes are applied to get the pure metals. Okay, so let's start. First one, occurrence of metals. Okay, where we have to found the metals. Okay, the metals are generally found in the earth crust. Okay, where we have to found earth crust. Okay, and the metals we have to found in the earth crust in the form of water minerals. Okay, so what is minerals? The elements or compounds which occur naturally in the earth crust. Okay, the minerals like, and some minerals are also you have to found in the sea. Okay, sea like the common salt NaCl, magnesium chlorides. This one also some minerals we have to found in the sea, and most of the minerals are found in the earth crust. And the okay, so mineral are what are the elements or compounds, okay, which occur naturally in the earth crust. जो हम लोग को naturally earth crust से मिलता है, हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Minerals. And next are the ore. What is ore? Okay, those minerals from which metals can be extracted profitably are called ores. Okay, so ores से क्या है, जो हम लोग को different minerals जैसे कि copper, irons, aluminiums, this all are we have to separate from ore. ore क्या होता है? अर्थ क्रस्ट से बहुत सारा सबका जो मेटल नॉन मेटल्स का जो कॉम्बाइंड फॉर्म रहता है. ओके, जिसमें okay, those minerals from which metal can be extracted. जो minerals हम metals को extract करते हैं profitably, जैसे कि हम उसको separate नहीं करेंगे profitably, तो हम उसको proper use नहीं कर पाएंगे. जैसे कि एल्यूमिनियम का हम लोग को यूज करना है, तो उसको एल्यूमिनियम को सेपरेट करना पड़ेगा, और से आयरन का यूज करना है तो आयरन को सेपरेट करना पड़ेगा और एक्सट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, प्रॉफिटेबली हम लोग का उसका बेटर बेनिफिट के लिए हम इसको सेपरेट करते हैं, तो उसी को बोलते हैं क्या? ओर्स. ओके, सो ओर आर दोस मिनरल्स फ्रॉम व्हिच metals can be extracted profitably. Okay, so all these metals are categorized according to their reactivity series. Okay, so let us discuss one. The first one, this one are the top of the activity series. Okay, this one are the more reactive. Okay, more reactive metals like potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and aluminium. Okay, these are the some metals. They have the more reactive metals, and they are placed in the top of the activity series. Okay, and these metals can be extracted by the process of electrolysis. Okay, which process we are separate this metal? By the process of electrolysis. Okay, details we have to study this one. Okay, first we were remember what are potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and aluminium. These 5 metals are we have to separate by the process of electrolysis. Okay, and the second ones, those are in the medium of this reactivity series. Okay, and the metal like zinc, iron, lead, and copper. Okay, the metal like zinc, iron, lead, and copper, this one separated by the process of reduction by using carbon. Okay, by the process of reduction. Oxidation we have discussed. Reduction means addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. Okay, reduction process से हम इसको separate कर पाते हैं. जो metal like क्या है? Zinc, iron, lead और copper. और ये metals क्या है? The medium में है. Okay, not more and not used. Okay, medium of the reactivity series. Okay, and this one are the most important metals. This one here used like iron, copper, lead, and zinc. Okay, so next are the low reactive metals. Okay, and this one are present bottom of the reactivity series. Okay, the metal like silver and gold. Okay, and these are found in native state. Okay, the metal this one are the most important. Okay, question also come which metal are found in native state? The metal like silver and gold are found in the native state. Okay, and these are the reactivity series of metals. Okay, are arranged according to their reactivity. Okay, this one are the low reactive and this one are the more reactive metals. So one technique or process are applied how to extract the higher reactive metals, how to extract the medium reactive metals, and how to extract the low reactive metals. Also to draw the flowcharts of extraction of metals. Okay, so this is the water ore. Okay, and this ore first we have to concentrate. Okay, concentration of ore means in ore contain many kind of impurities. Okay, like sand and soils, particles, stone particles. Okay, these impurities are known as what are gangue, G-A-N-G, gangue or matrix, M-A-T-R-I-X. Okay, ore contains many impurities like sand and soils, and these impurities are known as what are gangue and matrix. So we have to separate this gangue and matrix first by the process of concentration of ores. Okay, so in this process what are the ore are converted into a powder form, very small particles, that is in their powder form, and this powder are kept in a big tank, and here we are rotate and we are add some pine oils. Okay, these are help to create bubbles. Then the lighter impurities are come up. Okay, and float the top level, and this one easy to separate by the process of concentration, of course. And after concentration, this ore, okay, according to their reactivity, this one are the metals of high reactivity series, metal of medium reactivity series, and metal of low reactivity series. So we have to apply this process. First we start for metal of high reactivity series. In metal of high reactivity series, which process are used by the process of electrolysis. Okay, in electrolysis process we get the metal of ore, and these metals are then, this is the 95%, this one are the pure metals, and then we have to purify the metal, then we get the 100% pure metals. Okay, by the process of electrolysis. Okay, this is the most important. Okay, the high reactive metals like which one? Potassium, sodium, calcium. This one are the high reactive metals. Okay, the metal like what are potassium, sodium, okay, calcium, magnesium. Okay, this one are the high reactive metals, and these metals are helped by the process of electrolysis to separate the metal from ore. And next are the medium of the reactivity series. In medium of the reactivity series, metals are present like iron, okay, zinc, copper. Okay, this metal are present in the medium of this reactivity series, and this metal we have to separate by the process of two. This is one of the carbonate ore and one of the sulfide ore. Okay, carbonate ore, this one of the CO3 carbonate present, and sulfide S are present sulfide ore. Okay, these two techniques we are used for the medium of the reactivity series. In carbonate ores, a technique are used that is known as what are calcinations, and in sulfide ore one technique are used, it is what are roasting. Okay, so roasting and calcination, this is the most important topic, and many times are question or come what is roasting and what are calcinations. So first, calcination. What are calcinations? Is the process by which we have to separate the carbonate ore. For example, zinc carbonate. Okay, and in this process, we have to reductions by the absence of air. What are absence of air? Okay, absence of air or very limited supply of air. This calcination process are occur. And after calcinations, we get what are the metal oxides, and this one by the reduction process we get the pure metals. Okay, and in sulfide ore, where techniques a process are used, it is what are roasting. Okay, in roasting what are excess supply of air. Okay, excess supply of air or in presence of air, the roasting process are applied with the ore are heated strongly. Okay, then they are changed into the oxides of metals, and these metal oxides are by the process of reductions we get what are metals, and this metal are purified, then we get what are pure metals. Okay, these two are most important, and their difference are also from calcination and roasting. Okay, one thing you remember, in calcination process, carbonate ore are separate with the absence of airs. Okay, and in roasting process, sulfide ore are separate by the excess supply of air or oxygens. Next we come from metal of low reactivity series. In low reactivity series, we have the water, silver and coal are present. Okay, in low reactivity series, and this one are the some sulfide ore are present, and this sulfide ore are processed by the roasting. Okay, by excess supply of air are oxidized. Okay, and converted into metals, and finally they are refining. Then we get the pure metals. Okay, so this is the flow charts. Okay, easily we have to remember all this process with the help of this flow charts. So I think all of you understand. And next we expand every one by one. Okay, and their techniques. Okay, so next part we have discussed. Okay, details about their metals, of how to extract the high reactivity series, how to extract medium and low reactivity series. Okay, thank you for watching.